Hey, what's up, YouTube? Fellow modelers? Well, guess what? I am starting another build. I've got a lot of builds going on in this room. I can't stop starting them, But this one here, I'm building specifically for a show that I'm going to. So this is going to be new to my bench. So I've got plans for this. I'm taking it to the Nationals in Vegas. So if anybody's going to Vegas, then hit me up. I want to know if you guys are there. So that's in August. So, well, that's on the bench. And I did pick up, this is a pretty neat kit, by the way. I'll open it in a bit. Maybe I'll give you guys a view of what's in there after I get started on it. But I did go to Andy's Hobbies, and I actually picked up another kit, and I've been waiting for this kit to come out, and I seen someone else got one in the community, and I got it the same day that person did, so that's it right there. That's a cool kit, man. And I had the S10, the S10 truck in my hand, and I seen that. I was like, oh, I gotta buy this. But so anyway, this kit is cool. You can build it 3 different ways. But yeah, it's a pretty cool kit, man. Haven't opened it yet. A lowrider version. I like this version. Maybe this version with this hood or something. I don't know. I might buy a couple of these. I might want to build a lowrider. That's a pretty neat kit. So anyway, if you guys see it, you guys might want to pick it up. It's a good kit. So I have gotten a distance on the Camaro, so you can see that it's all wired. I get the carb in there. I've done some work to the bottom here. I gotta weather a little bit more, do a little bit more touching up. So that's how far I've gotten this. Let's see, the front of it's all kind of done here. So I didn't run the same to the Catalina. Got that wired up and plumbed a little. I gotta do a little bit more weathering on it. Put the dipstick in there. Got the seats in there and some flocking powder in there. I don't like the flocking powder as much as what is that stuff called? Embossing powder. I don't like that as much as I do the flocking powder. At the bottom all kind of done. I ran fuel lines and brake lines in it. You can see they're all ran in there. Got a little bit of touching up to do on this one too. But I put this underneath the body, and I didn't, the body's pretty like stock height. I should have cut the suspension down a little bit, but I'm gonna leave it at a stock height. I know I've had some messages to slam it down, you know, but maybe the next one I build, I got a couple more in there, so if I ever get to one again. But so anyway, that's the progress I got. When I was at Andy's, I bought another can of paint because I'm gonna do the truck this color, that 55. It's all ready to be painted. I might paint it tonight. It is the wife's birthday today, so maybe we'll go out and do something. I don't know. So I got that, and I think Heartbeat Model Shop did a video on this stuff, and man, this clear looked pretty good, so I ordered me a can. It's a little pricey, but I don't rattle can my clear coat, but I'm gonna try shooting a couple coats of this. But he did a really good job. I think he's building, I think it's Heartbeat Model Shop. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But he did a Corvette, a purple one, and he did the clear. Man, it looked nice, man. I liked it. You really did a good job on it. So that's a shout out to you. I was watching a couple of the videos he did on that, and man, it looked pretty good. So this stuff works pretty good. But anyway, so I am gonna get to building for a little bit while the wife's out shopping. So I think this is the only amount of time I'm gonna have to build for a day or so. Well, not even tomorrow, because the grandkid comes over tomorrow. So, but all right, guys, my bench is a mess, you can see, and that means I'm busy. So I've got the 1/8 scale going. I've got the Catalina, the Camaro, the 55 pickup, and I'm gonna have that that Shelby Cobra right there being built at the same time. And I'm pretty far on the Catalina and the Camaro. The truck, the 55 truck, I'm nowhere close. I'm not even gonna make the deadline on the build for the build on YouTube. So sorry, guys. But I really have to build this one. So anyway, I'm gonna cut this video off because it's going on and I'm rambling again, and I really ain't got a lot of cool stuff to show. So, but I think this was cool and that was cool, but that's about it. All right, guys, I'll do a video if something cool happens. All right, take care, guys, and later.